name is Emma. Welcome back to my channel, Journey to the Organized Home. If you guys are new here, big warm welcome to you guys. And if you guys are coming back here, thank you so much for coming back and watching this video. I really appreciate your support. So the reason why I'm making this video today is because I recently bought this t-shirt, which I really like, except I want this t-shirt to look like it's really old and not like it's brand spanking new. So right now the logo is like way too bright and just too new. And then the t-shirt itself is just way too black. So I actually want this t-shirt to look like I've had it for a really long time and washed it like 100 times without washing it 100 times. So in today's video, I'm gonna be testing out an easy hack that should apparently make this t-shirt look like I bought it when I was like 15 years old. And guys, I honestly don't know how this is gonna turn out, so you are on the journey with me here today, and I'm testing this out so you guys know whether or not you wanna try this one at home for yourselves as well. So let's start off with what you're gonna need for this hack. So the first thing you're gonna need obviously is your t-shirt with or without logo. So I'm really keen to see if this hack works on this t-shirt with this big logo. So that's one of the main things for me, but you definitely don't have to have a logo on your t-shirt to try this hack out at home. So the next thing you're gonna need is you're gonna need 1/8 of a cup of bleach. So a 1/4 cup, half full. And then you're also gonna need a large bowl of very hot water. And that's about it. You're also gonna need a washing machine. Other than that, you only need a couple of things. So this hack really is super easy to do. So let's try it out. So I've got some bleach here and I'm gonna very carefully pour a 1/4 cup of bleach into this bowl. So I've got a measuring cup and I'm gonna fill it halfway so that there's 1/8 of a cup of bleach. And I'm gonna pour in about half the bowl of hot water because I still need to submerge the t-shirt and I don't want it to overflow. So now I'm going to get the t-shirt and I'm going to submerge it in the water until it's fully submerged. So you can see it looks like there's some color running already. I'm not sure where that color's coming from, but it looks like it's doing something. I'm not sure if it's good or bad, but something's going on. So I'm gonna leave this in here for about 1 minute. Should probably be wearing gloves when you're doing this. So now I'm going to put this into the washing machine. So I'm going to pour the whole bowl right into the drum there. So after that, I'm going to put the washing machine on a hot cycle. So it should be hot as you can make it. And then for about an hour, so 1 hour and 30 minutes is fine for me. And then we'll come back and see what it looks like. So it's been about an hour and a half and I've just gone out, come back, the washing is done, and so I'm just gonna pull it out, let it dry, see what it looks like, and then hopefully it's gonna look like 100 years old. So guys, this is it more or less dry and it still looks basically the same as it did before. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wash this again the exact same way, more or less until I get the desired effect. I know it can be really tempting to wanna just use like a 1/4 cup and really speed up the process, but I've heard that this is not the way to go, and then this can make your clothes uneven and make them a weird brown color. So I'm gonna stick with the 1/8 of a cup of bleach, and I'm gonna try this a couple more times until I get the desired effect, and I'll tell you just how many times it takes to get that effect. See you soon. So guys, this is the t-shirt that I have washed in the bleach solution 2 times, and this is the t-shirt that I bought for Betty, which I haven't washed at all. So you can see that this is definitely losing its color a little bit. It seems to be losing its color a little bit more in this arm area than it is everywhere else, but that's kind of okay. Like, I don't mind if it's fading a little bit unevenly, but I am actually looking for a slightly more worn look than this. And I'm going to do it maybe once or twice more, but I just wanted to give you guys an update and show you what this is going to look like if you do this twice. So this is a smaller sized shirt. It hasn't shrunk that much. I haven't tried it on though, so I'm not sure exactly if it's shrunk at all. It shouldn't have done though. And this is obviously a bit lighter than this one, and it is a little bit softer. So I'm gonna wash it a couple more times and I'll come back and show you what it looks like for the final result. Hey guys, so I finally finished washing the item of clothing, my t-shirt, 4 times, and it is looking really good. So I'm just gonna shut up and I'm gonna show you guys the results. So you can see here, the Benny t-shirt is completely black with a really bright logo, and my t-shirt here is so much more faded. It looks so much better. The logo is so much less intense. I'm really, really happy with the results. I will say that it does look a little bit patchy on camera, but when you're wearing the t-shirt, it looks totally fine. I feel like you can hardly notice any of the patches, but I will say it is a little bit patchy using this particular method. But overall, I'm extremely pleased with the results. As you can see here, the Benny's black t-shirt with the really black contrast with the colorful logo doesn't look anywhere near as good on as the vintage look one does, when it's got a little bit more texture and feel to it and just feels a little bit worn. And I'm so happy that I've achieved this result in 1 weekend of washing. Now, one downside to this hack that I will say is that it does take quite a bit of time if you do want to run it through the wash a few times to get that really vintage look. Because my cycle for the really hot wash was 1 hour and 40 minutes, it took me a really long time to finish this process, but it was really, really easy. And I will also suggest, if you are looking for a slightly more even and less patchy look, maybe skip the step where you put the shirt in the water, in the bowl, and kind of mix it around for a minute. Maybe just pour the water straight into the washing machine, put the shirt in there and turn the washer on straight away so that it starts to kind of dilute a little bit more quickly. And I'm gonna say that the trick here is going to be use a little bit of bleach and do it as often as you need. So don't overdo it with the bleach, because I have heard that that is when you run into trouble doing this particular method. I really wanted to share this process with you guys from start to finish so that you could see the results at each different stage of the process, from 1 wash, 2 wash, 3 wash, 4 washes, so that you can get an idea of how many washes you want to do on your t-shirts if you are looking to do this one at home for yourself. If you did like this video, give me a like, guys. It really does help me know what sort of content you guys enjoy. This is a little bit different from my usual stuff, so just giving me a like lets me know that you do like this content as well. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.